What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well.
Did you drink water after waking up?
Yes, I drank 1 glass.
Are you feeling fresh this morning?
Yes, I feel refreshed.
Did you make your bed?
Yes, I made it quickly.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs.
Did you check your phone?
Yes, I checked it for messages.
Are you ready for the day?
Yes, I am fully ready.
Did you plan your tasks?
Yes, I made a list.
Do you feel motivated today?
Yes, I feel very motivated.
Good morning, Suraj. Did you finish your homework?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, I finished it last night.
That's great. Was the lesson hard?
Not really. I understood it.
Which part was tricky?
The grammar exercises, ma'am.
Okay, we will review them. Did you read the chapter?
Yes, ma'am. I read it twice.
Did you take notes?
Yes, ma'am. I wrote all the main points.
Good. Did you bring your notebook?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Do you need extra help?
Just a little with grammar.
Are you ready for the test?
I think so. I practiced a lot.
Did you revise the vocabulary?
Yes, ma'am. I went over all the words.
Any questions?
One small doubt about past tense.
No problem. We will check it. Are you confident today?
Yes, I feel ready.
Will you study tonight?
Definitely, I want to be fully ready.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. It makes me feel alive.
Which place do you want to visit?
I want to visit Paris in Europe.
Why Paris?
I love the art, the lights, and the Eiffel Tower.
Do you like long journeys?
Yes, I enjoy them. They relax me.
Do you prefer bus or plane?
For Europe, plane. In Nepal, bus.
Do mountains excite you?
Yes, mountains make me happy.
Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, I like comfortable hotels.
Are you traveling next month?
Yes, I want to plan a trip.
Will you go with friends?
Yes, I will travel with them.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
Will you buy souvenirs?
Yes, I always buy some.
What do you want to do first in Paris?
I want to see the Eiffel Tower at night.
Will you try French food?
Yes, I want to try croissants and pastries.
Do you like museums?
Yes, I enjoy learning about history.
Will you visit the Louvre?
Yes, I really want to see the Mona Lisa.
Do you enjoy walking streets?
Yes, I love slow walks in new cities.
Will you take boat rides on the river?
Yes, a river cruise sounds amazing.
Do you like shopping during trips?
Yes, I buy small gifts for my family.
What will you do in the evenings?
I will walk, take photos, and relax.
Will you visit local markets?
Yes, local markets are fun and colorful.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, new people bring new stories.
Will you learn some French words?
Yes, simple words like bonjour and merci.
Are you scared to travel alone?
No, I enjoy solo travel sometimes.
Do you like planning or going freely?
I like simple plans and free moments.
Will you visit parks?
Yes, Paris parks look beautiful.
Will you share your trip on social media?
Yes, I will post pictures and videos.
Do you feel excited already?
Yes, I feel very excited and happy.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I want a jacket. Do you have black ones?
Yes. What size do you wear?
Medium. Do you have other sizes too?
Small, medium, and large. Do you like this one?
Yes, looks good. Is it available in lighter fabric?
Yes. Do you want to try it?
Sure. Can I try the black one first?
Of course. Does it fit?
Yes, fits perfectly. Do you have another design?
Yes. Do you want to see it?
Yes. How much is this one?
$50. Should I pack it?
Yes. Do you have a bag?
Yes. Do you want one?
Yes, please. Can I pay by card?
You can, or pay in cash.
I'll pay in cash. Can I get a receipt?
Of course. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Can I keep the bag with me while I shop for other things?
Yes, no problem. Do you need any help finding anything else?
Actually, yes. Do you have matching gloves for this jacket?
Yes, we do. Would you like me to show you?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned it.
Did you fold your clothes?
Yes, I folded them.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I washed them.
Will you help me today?
Yes, I will help.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered them.
Are you hungry?
A little bit, yes.
Do you want tea?
Yes, I want tea.
Did you complete your chores?
Yes, I finished all.
Will you study later?
Yes, I will study.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am fine.